Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Does realizing the Dogelon Mars cost expectation interest you? For a great many people, the response to this question will be yes. Since Dogelon Mars, in the same way as other image tokens, has acquired a great deal of prevalence among crypto holders in the beyond couple of months. With such a spike in its interest, individuals want to find out whether they will be a tycoon by putting a couple of dollars in such Dogelon Mars Elon or not. Behind the historical backdrop of Dogelon Mars Elon, a Shiba Inu K9 was highlighted in an image. The authentic information uncovers the name of the K9 as Kabasu. The discussion was filled with linguistic and spelling blunders, which had ultimately become viral via virtual entertainment, and later it turned into the top image of the year. The word K9 was incorrectly spelled as Doge while it was coursed on the web. Afterward, two programmers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer made the Dogecoin to jab the serious other crypto tokens available for use. Dogecoin was planned as a distributed cryptographic money to engage more extensive demography than Bitcoin. It had set off at $0.0026 token worth, however the exchanges were executed past assumption. Thus, the cost of Dogecoin soared and afterward stopped at $0.00095 in 72 hours or less. The value development of Dogecoin is somewhat insane and exceptionally unstable. Thus, canny financial backers took advantage of the unpredictability to become well off temporarily. Today, it has become one of the top esteemed tokens universally, spiked hugely in the ongoing year, and has moved to 9th position. At the point when the notoriety of such tokens expanded, many organizations concocted image coins. A few nations even made a move against image coin dissemination. In July 2021, Thailand prohibited the flow of Dogelon Mars Elon coins in light of its shakiness and hazard. Dogelon Mars cryptocurrency. The digital currency of Dogelon Mars is known as Elon, which is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain sent off in April 2021. It is named Elon, and the name came after Elon Musk. He is a fan and financial backer of Dogecoin. It has respectable tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded in major decentralized trades with copious symbolic matches. Elon/USDT market pair is accessible on Poloniex. Record can be opened through name or email address on such trades. Dogelon Mars cryptographic money is viral via online entertainment and has got media publicity. Individuals began putting resources into the token. In October, Dogelon Mars Elon cost rose more than 40x times and gave a huge return. Then it moved into 150th position as far as market cap. Specialized investigation of information shows Dogelon Mars followed the path of Shiba Inu for token conveyance. A big part of the tokens were shipped off Vitalik Buterin. Afterward, Buterin gave his commitment to good cause and the COVID relief fund. By this, Dogelon Mars designers guaranteed fair circulation of the coin all along. Since it is characterized as a fair all-inclusive digital money, there was no pre-sale of tokens. 1 quadrillion, 10 trillion, coins have been made in the wake of sending half to Vitalik Buterin. The following half of tokens are secured Uniswap liquidity pool as Elon and ETH pair, then, at that point, it is locked for eternity. The chance of beginning liquidity drawdown was eliminated from the enormous potential gain push of October 2021. The market cap flooded from $26 million on October 1, 2021 to $1.19 million by October 30, 2021. At the point when it is recorded on OKX, it has revitalized over 200% potential gain. The general ascent was considered as a retail craziness by specialists in the crypto market. The unusualness of Dogelon Mars Elon cost is higher contrasted with different coins of the cryptographic money market. Subsequently, giving an exact Dogelon Mars price gauge is very troublesome. Verifiable information of Elon cost shows, the passage Dogelon Mars cost was around $0.000000078. Not long after posting, the Elon cost has moved to $0.0000041. However later after a sell Dogelon Mars sign, It has taken help at $0.00000015. In May 2021, the Dogelon Mars cost was raised to an end cost of $0.00000022. Dogelon Mars Elon cost beat the cost forecasts and began climbing toward the finish of September 2021. Continuously 7-day stretch of October 2021, the Dogelon Mars Elon cost had arrived at an excess of multiple times what it had begun the main day of the month. Much the same as our forecast, Dogelon Mars has given a decent return. The ongoing cost of Dogelon Mars Elon is around $0.00001438. The Dogelon Mars cost today is exchanging around $0.0000009366, with an all-out market capitalization of $517,883,857.41. The coursing supply is 552,955,726,479,823 Elon, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $28,185,541.01. Dogelon Mars specialized examination shows that the Elon cost began expanding from October 1, 2021, going on until October 31, 2021. Up excursion of Dogelon Mars cost began at $0.00000056 and wound up at $0.00000267, which was the most exorbitant cost of the token. 29th, 30th, 31st of October 2021 has framed the most noteworthy light with the colossal backing of volume. In the span of 3 days, Elon cost has moved from $0.0000007771 to $0.00000267.5, upheld by immense volume. In something like a month, a small bunch returned for the people who have Dogelon Mars in their portfolio. Then, at that point, bears began pulling back the Elon cost, which made a dive to $0.0000001213. Right now, slight recuperation is seen in the cost of the coin, which might prompt positive pattern sooner rather than later. Elon cost took support at $0.00000009. The ongoing cost is gradually skipping from this level, yet assuming that Dogelon Mars cost today neglect to keep force in current move, it is normal to